Hello dosto, how are you? This is Ahmed and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how you can earn with affiliate marketing. Guys, you can see my laptop screen and here is one website opened, A2 Hosting. This is a hosting website and this site provide affiliate commission and its best rate of the in the market. This is a main page of website, and you can see this. The more you sell, the more you earn, and you earn more for every sale based on the amount of sales you deliver each month. Okay. Guys, you can see here, if you sell 1 to 10 orders, means 1 to 10 customer or order about $55 sale, you can earn 85 USD dollar. And after this number 11 to 15 sales of hosting or domain and or other any product from this website, you can earn good money. Okay, and here is all information. You can go on Google and just write A2 hosting affiliate program. How you can earn money from this website, I will guide all of you, all my viewers. It's just simple. If you want free, you can advertise free, and if you want paid advertisement, and it's like you how you need earning, how you need advertisement. Okay guys, first of all, if you have WhatsApp, obviously you must have WhatsApp, and you can share this affiliate link in your WhatsApp contact. You can share link, and any person if buy from your link, you get profit. Okay, and second, social media, any social media, you can share this link from your ID, and any person click, any person buy, you can earn good money. And if you want good earning from this website, then you can advertise paid advertisement, like you can run campaign in Facebook, Google, YouTube, and maybe for 1 week, 1 month, as you wish, no problem. It's with your cost. Uh, you will maybe you will $10, $20 for advertisement cost, and you earn good money. And in the whole world you can advertise this in US, UK, Europe, any country. You can this advertise in Facebook, Google. And here is all information of this website, how you can earn, how you long this read this. Customer welcome email landing page for top affiliates, active responsive affiliate program management. And this is a big website, and this website give good commission for the affiliate. Okay guys, if you have any question about this video, and with any website, if you have question, you can comment in my comment box. I will definitely touch with you and reply your all questions, and I want you all people join this website and generate good money for you. Thank you so much.